Hey there, smart shoppers! Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we make your purchasing decisions a whole lot easier and a lot more fun. Today, we're putting two hot drones head-to-head, the Bwine F7 GPS upgraded drone, or as we'll call it, the Bwine F7, and the ATTOP drone, which we'll simply call the ATTOP. Buckle up, because this is going to be one wild ride. Let's dive right in and see which one of these flying gizmos is worth your hard-earned cash. First up, let's talk about the thing that makes your wallet cry. Price. The Bwine F7 is priced at $258, while the ATTOP comes in at a more wallet-friendly $109. So if you're looking to save some bucks, the ATTOP is already ahead in this race. But hey, sometimes you get what you pay for, right? Let's see if that holds true here. Next up, let's talk cameras. Because if your drone can't capture your epic aerial selfies, what's the point? The Bwine F7 flexes with a 4K UHD camera that can make even your bad hair day look like a Hollywood movie. It also offers 2.7K real-time image transmission. Meanwhile, the ATTOP sports a 1080p camera with a 120 degrees field of view. Not bad, but it's like comparing an IMAX theater to your old high school projector. Reviewers love the Bwine F7 for its high-quality videos and pictures, while the ATTOP's camera is clear but not as impressive. Advantage: Bwine F7. All right, let's see which one of these bad boys can stay up in the sky longer. The Bwine F7 comes with two batteries that give you a total of 60 minutes of flight time. The ATTOP, on the other hand, has 3 batteries but only manages 30 minutes in the air. So if you're planning on winning a drone endurance race, the Bwine F7 is your go-to. Double the fun with fewer pit stops. Reviewers appreciate the Bwine F7's battery life, while the ATTOP's short battery life is often mentioned as a downside. Now let's get into the nerdy stuff, intelligent functions. The Bwine F7 is like the Swiss Army knife of drones, packing GPS, optical flow modes, waypoints, and even a follow me feature. It's basically a flying stalker. The ATTOP has some tricks up its sleeve too. App control, voice commands, gesture control, and even a 360 degrees flip. It's like the drone version of a TikTok star, full of flashy moves, but can it keep up with the big boys? You decide. Reviewers highlight the Bwine F7's advanced features, while the ATTOP is praised for its fun, user-friendly functions. Last but not least, let's see how beginner-friendly these drones are. After all, we don't want you crashing your new toy into your neighbor's yard on day one. The Bwine F7 comes with a beginner mode, tutorial videos, and durability that can handle a few crash landings. Meanwhile, the ATTOP offers one-key return, altitude hold, and super easy controls. It's like the training wheels of drones, perfect for newbies. Reviewers commend the Bwine F7 for being easy to set up and use, but also note that the ATTOP is particularly good for beginners due to its simple controls. Overall, reviewers find the Bwine F7 to be a feature-packed, high-quality drone that offers great value for its price, despite some minor issues like limited range and shaky camera. On the other hand, the ATTOP is seen as a budget-friendly, durable option that's perfect for beginners, but comes with its own set of limitations, such as short battery life and occasional malfunctions. So there you have it, folks. The Bwine F7 and the ATTOP both have their strengths and quirks. If you're looking for a high-end, feature-packed drone, go for the Bwine F7. But if you're on a budget and want something easy to start with, the ATTOP is your wingman. Either way, you're in for some sky-high fun. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment about which product you prefer and why. Product links are in the description. Until next time, happy flying!